Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make authentic guacamole. No, guacamole is not just avocados smashed up in a bowl. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know to make your own authentic guacamole at home. It just takes a couple of extra steps, no molcajete required, and you will have yourself a delicious guacamole. Everyone will be asking for the recipe. Start with a large heavy skillet over high heat, and you're going to add in 1 Roma tomato, couple cloves of garlic if they're small, or 1 if they're big, and then 1 serrano pepper, or you can use jalapeno. Roasting these only takes a few minutes, but it really adds a ton of flavor, so do not skip this step. You're basically looking to char the outside of the tomato so that the skin can easily come off, as well as the serrano, or you can use the jalapeno. You want to char that outside so it's nice and blackened. So keep rotating things. It really only takes a few minutes. You can also do this in a grill pan or on an outdoor grill. Now once it's nice and blackened, you'll remove it from the heat and take off the tomato peel and the peel from the serrano or jalapeno, whichever you're using. And remove the peel from the garlic as well. This one's a little easier. It should just pop right out. Then we're gonna add this to the bowl of a food processor. You could also use the molcajete, or you can use a blender. You wanna blend this until it's smooth. Just a few more steps to go. You'll need the juice of 1 lime, or about 2 tablespoons. Limes do vary in juiciness, so it's good to have a measurement there. We'll set that aside while we pit 2 avocados, and you can use super ripe ones for this. It's a good use of those super squishy ones that you get in the grocery store. Then we'll just use a spoon to scoop the avocado directly into our food processor. And we'll pour in the lime juice, then add in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and of course we can adjust that later to taste. We'll pop the lid on, and then we'll pulse this. You don't want to just let the spinner spin there. You want to pulse it so you have a nice chunky guacamole, and it'll break down that avocado, and then you'll be done. Scoop this into a bowl for serving, and that's it. We're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.